Hey everybody, I have a new product that I'm going to do an open box on. This is called the TP Link Wi-Fi Light Bulb. It's a smart Wi-Fi light bulb with a dimmable soft white light. It is equivalent to 50 watts of power, so almost like a 50 watt light bulb. And it's a LB100 version. The features on this, it states you don't need a hub. It's also dimmable. Once again, it has remote access, meaning you could operate this light bulb from the outside of your house to the inside of your house or wherever you at with your smartphone. And it's energy saving. And also, if we look on the back of this, as you can see, it states the same thing. Energy saving, you could track the power, and it also has a schedule on here. So you could schedule your if you want to cut the light on and off at a certain time. And as you can see right here, is the energy used is 8 watts. That's the total energy used. Based on a 3-hour day, it will last 13.7 years. And of course, it's under $1, which is 97 cents, based on a 3-hour day. So I'm gonna do an open box on this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open this up real quick. And let me just open this up. It's actually packed real tight, which is actually very good. And what we have in here, what just fell right here, is with all TP products, they give you a happy with your product, a little questionnaire, and things not planned. It gives you a little option that you go on the website. Right here is a set of instructions, I'm assuming. Yes, it is. It's a set of instructions. It's your technical support, which is right here, your technical support. And this is to show you how to download the Casa app or Casa app, which I already have it downloaded on my phone. And it tells you basically how to connect it, go to your settings in your hub, but we're gonna go through all that. And actually, right here is the bulb itself, wrapped in some nice paper. I advise you when you install your light bulb, keep the paper on like this. As you install it, it shows you the TP link right here on the light bulb. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna put the paper back on the bulb. Try my best not to touch the bulb because the oil from your fingers could get on the bulb and shorten its life power. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna screw it back in here. Well, screw it in here first. And let's see, does it work without the power? Yes, it's actually bright. And actually, I forgot to tell you guys, this is 600 lumens, which is pretty bright, as you can see. Let me move this out the way and look at my phone, turn my phone on. All right, go into my home control, go into my Casa app. I'm gonna make sure that I got a good volume of this. All right, so let me get out of that. All right, devices. I'm gonna add a device, basically right here. It's the upper corner. Hit the plus button. And it's going to let me select which device I have. I have a smart bulb, so I'm going to select that. Now, read the instructions. Basically, it says install. First, make sure the power is off. It is. I put it on. All right. Hit next. All right, so next, power up the bulb. So I'm going to turn the power back on the light. And I'm going to turn it down right here so you can actually see it. And put the battle phone, move my phone over this way. All right, so it should be blinking 3 times, which it is. I'm gonna click next. So waiting. Just looking for my smart bulb. Says might take a few minutes. Just let's see how long it takes. All right. So I will name this, because this is actually going for my daughter room. I will type in my daughter Naomi lamp. Click next. I'm saving that, and I guess I will give this this one right here. It's basically you could use an icon right there. So I'm clicking on the icon. Click next. Yep. So I connected it to my Wi-Fi just now. I did that real quick just for security purposes. So it's saying I'm almost done. All right, I can update the firmware. Say it might take a few minutes, but my firmware should be automatically updated since I have other applications on here. So we almost finished with that. And it just blinked. That lets me know it's doing something. All right, so we all done. All right, so it says, great, your smart bulb is all set up. It's now saved in your device list. So I click done, click Naomi lamp. Now I have other devices on here, as you can see. Now let me click the power button, and it cuts right off, just like so. Cut it back on. All right, turn it off, turn it on. All right, so let me turn it on. Now I just clicked it. Let me go back real quick and show you what I just did. The back arrow. All right, so basically what I did, I could push this on and it cuts off like so. And push the power button on. Well, that symbol is the power button, of course. So I could click on the name right here. And as you see right here, it has presets. And this line right here is a dimmer. So let's see if I could, let me put the phone down, dim it down. I can't grab it doing this with one hand. All right, the presets and resets. Click that out. Now let me get back to the dimmer. Well, I have an edge, so that's what I did. Oh, great. So there we go. Yeah, as you can see, the dimmer is actually going down on the light. As you can see, it's real low. Let me just get a better view. That's actually the dimmer. Goes up, down. All right. And you actually look at the usage of this. It lets you know how much energy you have. Right here, the kilowatts, and this is a time, is brand new, so there we go right there. And then we also have a schedule. Your schedule live here. You can push the push button, and then you can add several schedules. You can have last on. You can customize it. You can repeat it every day, and of course you're gonna save it. But I'm not gonna create a schedule here. Let me get back out of there. The good feature about this, it dims. And it comes back up to power, dims. You probably can't really tell as you, because of the light from the camera, but I hope you can see that. So the good thing about this, now that this is like that, I can set it up with the Google Home. Let me get out of here, click exit. And I'm gonna go to my Google Home real quick. And I'm gonna connect this to my Google Home. So go to this. I'm gonna go to Home Control. And then I'm gonna go to Add. the Casa devices. Check for new devices. And it should. Now, for 1 second, I'm going to come off of here just real quick so I can put my information in. Putting my information in 1 second. One second, guys. All right, I put my information in, and it's putting Naomi Lamp in. It did it real fast. I just didn't want to go off camera putting in my security information in. So now it's connected. I can say, I'm gonna put my phone down so you won't see I'm doing anything crazy. It should be connected to my Google Home. Okay, Google, cut off Naomi Lamp.
Sure, turning off the Naomi lamp.
All right, I'll probably change it to something else. Hey Google, cut on Naomi Lamp.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I just stuttered. Hey Google, cut on Naomi Lamp.
You got it, turning on the Naomi lamp.
All right, so you could do other little presets too. You could call it a nickname or in Google Home or whatever. But that's pretty much it. The Casa app is pretty good. It works very good with the Google Home. And once again, this is a TP Link. It is the LB100 version. Once again, guys, get this bulb. It's very good. It's going to save you a lot of money and time. And it will help you do sorts of other things. So if you have any questions, any comments, suggestions, just let me know and I'll answer as fast as I can. All right, guys, take care and stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel and for more products coming up.